What's up, Crypto Crush community? Today we're going to go over the basics of what is a candle in the world of trading. So no matter what graph you're looking at, whether it's cryptocurrency, commodities, stocks, you're always going to see those red and green candles. And the very basic meaning of them is a red candle, meaning there are more sellers and the market is currently going down, it's pushing down. And a green candle means that there are currently at this time more buyers and the price is going up. Each candle has its own period of time that can be seconds, minutes, 15 minutes, hours, days, weeks, months. Every candle has a structure. There is the body of the candle, as you can see, and then there is these thin lines going on the top and at the bottom of each candles. Those thin lines are called wicks. They represent the highest or the lowest point of the candle. So if we're looking at a 5-minute candle of buyers, this was the highest point of those 5 minutes, within those 5 minutes where buyers were pushing the price up. Then it might have gone down during the 5-minute period of this candle. The same goes to the lowest point. This was the lowest point of this candle within those 5 minutes. It might have begun as a selling candle and then turned into a buyer's as more buyers were pushing the price up during these 5 minutes. Now that we understand the basics of candles and what they mean, let's take this to TradingView and break it down and see how do we actually read the charts and meet those candles in live trading. As you can see, this is the price of Bitcoin at this time compared to USDT. At this time, the price of Bitcoin stands on $70,791, moving between $91, $95, $96. This is the current value of Bitcoin. As you can see at the top, we can see the time frames. Right now we're looking at a 1 month. So each candle represents 1 month. From here to here, this was 1 month. And as we can see on the bottom, this was from the 1st of February 2024. If we zoom into weekly time frames, we're going to meet the candles as weekly candles. Each candle here represents a week. This is week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. On this week, as you can see, if we're going to zoom in, overall, the price of Bitcoin went up on the week of the 4th of November 2024. The same happened the week after and the week after. And then the week after that, the price started going down. So what we can understand from this is that here, the buyers were pushing the price of Bitcoin up. The same went for the second week, and for 3 weeks straight, buyers were clearly pushing the price up. But what we can also see is that on the third week, the volume did go down and the buyers were not able to push as high up as they were on the previous couple of weeks. And then on the fourth week, we can already start seeing that the sellers are positioned and the sellers are pushing the price down. And then for a few good weeks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, over 2 months, the price of Bitcoin fluctuated between the price of 87,000 and 109,000. This goes between the 4th of November 2024 and all the way to 17th of February 2025. Now if we zoom into deeper time frames, 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 5 minutes, and even 1 minute and 1 second, we can actually see the price of Bitcoin moving on each second of the day. if we zoom really close in. So now that we're looking at the 15 minutes candle, we are going to break it down live. So right now, this is the current candle. We have 12 minutes and 50 seconds more to go for this candle to close. It is currently pushing up. The price, the buyers are pushing up. So right now, the highest point of this 15-minute candle, if we zoom in, was right here, 78.34. Since then, the sellers are pushing down and the buyers are not pushing higher than this price. But let's see what happens next. And if within the next 12 minutes, the buyers will remain stronger than the sellers, then this candle will close green. At some point, if there will be more sellers than buyers, what will eventually happen is this candle will become red, and the next candle that will open up will determine the next pattern. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, in this case, the buyers are pushing up. There are clearly more buyers than sellers at this time, and there's 11 more minutes to go for this candle to close. Let's see what happens with the price of Bitcoin. But that is all, ladies and gentlemen. That is the basics of candles, how to understand and read the candles properly in these charts. No matter what asset you're looking at, whether it's Bitcoin, commodities, coins, stocks, a green candle will be a buying candle and a red candle will be a selling candle. Hope this information was useful and clear. I'm looking forward to seeing you on our next tutorial video.